How to open Snapchat in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can open Snapchat in your laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to open Snapchat in your laptop, it's actually very simple to do so. Now if you only want to open it, there is a web version of Snapchat known as web.snapchat.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. But the problem with this web version of Snapchat is that not all of the functions are available. If you want to view some snaps, you have to regardless open it in the mobile phone. So what I would recommend you do is, if you want to get Snapchat on laptop, just download an Android emulator known as BlueStacks. I'll make sure to drop a link below. After you download BlueStacks, go ahead and then open it up, and then you'll see somewhat this type of interface where you can simply actually search for the Snapchat application here. Once you search for Snapchat app, you can go ahead and open it up and make sure to install it just like on Android phone. And now you simply want to log into your account. After you log into your account, you'll be able to unlock all of the functions. This way you'll be able to get Snapchat in laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.